In this raceway, we have some of our broodstock or breeding fish that are responsible for producing fingerlings. In tilapia culture, males are preferred since they grow larger and don't stop feeding in order to breed. Tilapia belong to a family of fish called cichlids and are excellent parents. Females of the genus Oreochromis are mouth brooders and raise their young in the safety of their mouth, so the females would not eat and therefore lose weight during this period. In order to optimally produce harvestable biomass, labor would have to be dedicated to sorting males from females by manually sexing and separating them. This process is tedious and is both time and labor intensive. To get around this, sex reversal of females to males in tilapia has been developed over the years. In the past, it was common to use androgenic hormones dispensed in feed. However, thanks to biotechnology, we have males that are genetically double Y as it regards to chromosomes. This results in almost all of their offspring being 100% male through natural reproduction with standard XX chromosome females. These special fish are known as supermales and are stocked with at least 3 females per male in order to increase production as well as to avoid injury to the females. Another thing you will notice in all of our raceways is the vigorous agitation of the water. This is done by blowing fine bubbles of air through the water column, which increases the effective surface area by which atmospheric oxygen can more readily dissolve. This process is called aeration. As mentioned before, decomposing organic matter reduces dissolved oxygen since that process is aerobic. Thus, maintaining sufficient levels of dissolved oxygen is critical at all times, particularly in intensive systems where stocking density is high and thus biological oxygen demand is also high. The piece of machinery that is responsible for this is called a regenerative blower, and it is critical that it runs constantly. It drives massive volumes of air at low pressure, and failure can result in entire losses of crops of harvestable fish within an hour, according to stocking density.